Basically, and I'm outside. Yeah, I looked outside because I was awake, because sometimes I just randomly wake up like in the middle of the night and I saw that it said wintry mix, and then I looked out here and it looked like this. It's kind of just ice, but it's so peaceful, it's so cool. I hear somebody out there trying to drive, which is scary. And you can't even really see my footprints because it's just like ice. But the boys are asleep, obviously, but I had to come out here. Also, this jacket, it's amazing. Like, it's awesome. So, good morning at a much more reasonable hour. Started the beans, they're cooking, and so now we are going to go outside. Oh, I'm my shoe, and play in some snow. Thank you to my client, Mary Ellen, which she'll never see this, but thanks, Mare, for your sledding saucers. And she found him some snow pants at like a thrift store for like $8, which is like a steal. So we're about to go out here and play in the ice because that's basically what it is. It was very pretty coming down last night, but now it's time to play in it. So we're on like 3 layers: shirt, sweater, and then the heated vest. Just turn that on. Jess probably has on like no layers. How many layers do you have on?
I have a t-shirt on under my jacket.
He's by the way, Jesse's from Massachusetts. Come here. He has on a t-shirt under here. He is from New England. Meanwhile, me and little man, I got him on a t-shirt and then a hoodie, his toboggan, a toboggan, and then
What?
it's not. So, yeah. Hey Jess, can you get my gloves out of the back of my car? So, it's time to go play in the snow. I don't know if I'll need 2 toboggans. You think I'll need 2?
I don't know.
Probably.
Want to use these gloves?
I don't want to use those gloves. Ew. Get this out of my face. Patriots suck. Go Colts, baby. Yeah. Y'all ready?
I'm having trouble.
You having trouble? No.
Might help me.
Little man is back there sliding down the hill, but I just want to take a little walk, go up this road and come back because it's just so pretty out here. And got to get in at least a little bit of movement because obviously we're going to be stuck inside all day. School is canceled. Definitely not going to work tomorrow, so we're going to hang out. And there are so many people out here like sliding down the hills. It's so cool to see. The coat, fantastic. I'm snug as a bug in a rug. And the heated vest underneath here, icing on the cake. So now I'm gonna head back. I have the key, so the boys can't get in the house. And I saw this pride koozie back there. I think it's Jesse's. It may not be, but we're gonna see. So head on back, check the beans, and then yeah. All right, so I showered and now I'm gonna do some laundry because it is still Sunday. So there are still things to do even though he doesn't have school tomorrow, but I'm gonna get some of these things done, watch a little bit of YouTube, and then I need to go check the beans. So fold some laundry, finish watching this YouTube interview with Hudson Williams because I am obsessed with Heated Rivalry. If you've watched it, we need to discuss in the comments below because I'm unwell. I love it. I'm gonna have to rewatch it. I've already rewatched like little pieces of episodes, but yeah, it's so good. Water. No, the water's not hot yet. Don't throw it. Set it all the way down till you feel the bottom. Alright, easy.
Why did it try to like float? Why do you don't like that?
All right, go ahead. All right, so we were starting to get cabin fever, at least I was. So there is a pizza place that's like right downtown. I think it was just like maybe like 5 or so miles from the house. So we're gonna go into what we just got, Timber Pizza. I think it maybe got a Michelin star, but it's a pizza spot and we both love pizza, so pizza. so we are back home now. So last I left you, we were at the pizza place, and it was delicious, absolutely delicious. It was nice to kind of get out, see the roads. The roads are pretty good. So I'll be back to work tomorrow. So the snow days are done. But I hope you enjoyed this very chill, quiet kind of vlog. Let's just staying home playing in the snow. But I will see you on the next one. The things that got rescheduled, and then there's something else popping up. I'm so excited to show y'all. So stick around. Go follow me over on Instagram if you want to see what I get into day to day, that kind of thing. But yeah, if you've watched all this way, I appreciate you. Truly, truly. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.